Hello guys, all English learners, welcome again to my English channel. I am John and I am here to teach you English. Today I'm gonna teach you about CIP. CIP stands for Compound Interrogative Pronoun. Now what is CIP? CIP is the combinations of question words what, which, and whose with a noun. So when I say what book, now that's CIP. What is combined with book. What book? This is CIP. Compound interrogative pronoun. And then which car? Which combines with car. Now which car? This is CIP. And also whose house. This is CIP. And remember guys, when you use CIP in a sentence, the sentence must be changed into interrogative form. For example, what book do you buy in that store? Which book does he read in that library? What book, which car, and whose house? Of course, you can use another noun if you want. You can say, which friend do you want to go with? And you can say, whose money do you want to borrow? Remember, what, which, and whose combines with the noun. Now that's what we call CIP. And if it is used in a sentence, the sentence must be in interrogative sentence. Okay, I guess that is it. I will see you again on my next video. Have a great time. Bye bye.